Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The dollar-yen pair has added 0.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator has warmed up and is currently neutral. Bitcoin has gained 3.7% in the last two sessions. The ADX is diminishing into negative territory. The price of gold has gained 0.8% in the last two sessions. The CCI has moved into the neutral area. The price of crude oil has gained 1.6% in the last session. Stochastic has bounced upwards into the positive zone.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in the world financial news.
Oil prices climbed as optimism that government stimulus will eventually lift global economic growth and oil demand trumped COVID concerns. The dollar hovered around its highest in nearly 1 month, with traders expecting U.S. Treasury Secretary nominee Janet Yellen to affirm a more traditional commitment to market-set currency rates. Despite its recent rally into record price highs, Bitcoin's dominance over Ethereum continues to wane, with ETH's daily transaction volume dwarfing BTC by a quarter.
Thank you, and now let's go through today's major economic events.
Japan's imports will be released at 2350 GMT, the UK's Consumer Price Index at 700 GMT, the UK's Core Consumer Price Index at 700 GMT. Japan's exports will be released at 2350 GMT, the US NAHB Housing Market Index at 1500 GMT, Germany's Producer Price Index at 700 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.